If you want to use Google Gemini inside Google Meet to automatically take notes, summarize discussions, and generate action items, in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up. We'll check your account requirements, turn on AI note-taking, and use it live during a call. So firstly, let's make sure that Gemini is enabled for your Google accounts. If you're on a personal account, you'll need a Google One Premium subscription. So for business or school users, your administrator must assign a Gemini for Workspace license to your accounts. Then if you're the Workspace admin, log into the Google Admin Console. So you open up your Google Admin Console, head to Apps, Google Workspace and Google Meet, then click Gemini settings and ensure Take Notes with Gemini is switched on. Then how do we trigger it? So you just open up a new meeting. Start an instant meeting. Then once you have your requirements met, you need to just look at the top right or bottom right corner for the sparkle pencil icon, or click the activities button. Select the Take Notes with Gemini and click Start. A banner and pencil icon will appear on the screen, notifying all participants that AI note-taking is active, keeping the call completely transparent. So enjoy. Just don't forget to meet the requirements, and thank you for watching.